Solid Best vanilla cake is one of the most talked about on the internet, but it does not immune to problems. So today, I'm fixing the biggest issues bakers have with it. Hi, my name is Landon. Let's do it! First pan size, solid recipe built for 3 9-inch pans, but my version now works for 8-inch, 9-inch or even a 9x13 pan too. Now the method, from going through the original instructions, I'm able to trim it out quite a bit. The original used a traditional multi-step mixing process, nothing wrong with that, but with my signature one-bowl method, we can make it much simpler with only 2 steps. Even the butter, you can soften it in the microwave in seconds. Everything goes straight into one bowl, no separating eggs, no multiple stages, no waiting for room temperature ingredients. The first side we cream together are softened butter, sugar, eggs, which I'm using cold eggs, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Just mix for about a minute and a half and you're done. And that's our upgrade number 1, simpler but more. Now we simply add the rest of ingredients and beat until just combined. A few things to address here. The number 1 complaint is dryness. The original recipe used cake flour, all butter, and extra egg whites. These are drier options. When combined, they can lead to drier cake if anything goes slightly off. Here's the easy fix. Stick with all-purpose flour, swap part of the butter with oil so we still have that buttery flavor, and use only whole eggs. These convenient changes make the cake noticeably richer and moister, and also we no longer need cake flour and having leftover yolks. Another problem solved. Just 10-15 years ago, vanilla alone should be enough for a vanilla cake, but our taste buds these days have grown and demand more depth and complexity in flavors.
I want a bigger party!
So here's, besides just vanilla extract as in the original, I also have almond extract and lemon juice. Both pair excellently together. I also increase vanilla to keep it dominant, and I highly recommend using a better quality extract for a strong, satisfying vanilla flavored cake. And that's how we fix the mild flavor problem. Now you may say, well, but Landon, without cake flour it won't be as tender. That will not be an issue. Here I have oil that makes cake more tender than all butter alone, and notice that we have lemon juice beside buttermilk, which add extra acidity to tenderize the cake. We also fix the dense texture issue here. The original depends heavily on room temperature ingredients and proper creaming of butter and sugar. Miss that and the cake turns dense. Another problematic potential here is too much leavening agent. Strong rapid rising could make the structure collapses and sinks in the middle, result to a denser cake. So I reduce it both baking powder and baking soda, and with the reliable oil along with my simplified method, you get light fluffy cake every single time. Guarantee. All issues addressed, but there's still more upgrades. Now let's bake until toothpick comes out clean, like this. When it's still slightly warm, trim off the domes for a perfectly level cake, but also serve a bakery trick I'll show you in a little bit. Plus, it's quality control. Yum! Now for the frosting, the changes I made is increasing vanilla extract to deepen the flavor, a little bit more salt to enhance the overall flavor, and some more milk, which you can use any percentage you have. Alright, so now the final upgrade. It is optional but powerful. Simply brush each layer with cake soap solution, a mixture of water, sugar, and vanilla extract. Heat in microwave for about a minute, then dapple on the trimmed cake when it's still warm for better absorption. This bakery trick adds more flavor and keep the cake stay moist for extra days. Now just frost as we usually do and decorate however you like. This cake is excellent with fresh fruit, caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, and look at that beauty! Fluffy, moist, tender, and the flavor is on another level. Oh my, this is just so good. And with these 5 easy upgrades, Sally's best vanilla cake has gone from 7.5 to a 9.5 out of 10. The only one can perfect that half point is you. Sorry, I think I'm getting sick. But try it out and let me know what you think. If you like this kind of better recipe video, subscribe for more. And if you may help out my small channel with a simple like, comment or share of this video. Thanks so much friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.